Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use mint oil safely and effectively. First, always dilute mint oil with a carrier oil, like jojoba or almond oil, before applying it to your skin. A good starting ratio is 1 to 2 drops of mint oil per 1 teaspoon of carrier oil. Remember to perform a patch test on a small area of skin to check for any sensitivity before wider application. Avoid contact with eyes and other sensitive areas. Mint oil is wonderful for aromatic use. You can add 3 to 5 drops to a diffuser to freshen a room and boost focus. For a soothing experience, mix 5 to 10 drops with a tablespoon of Epsom salts before adding to a warm bath. Alternatively, place 1 or 2 drops on a cotton ball or tissue and inhale briefly for an instant pick-me-up. For topical application, always ensure the mint oil is properly diluted. To ease head tension, gently massage 1 to 2 drops of diluted oil onto your temples, avoiding the eyes. For muscle soreness, apply a small amount to the affected area for a cooling and soothing effect. You can also rub a few drops on your abdomen to support digestive comfort. While beneficial, mint oil requires careful handling. Never ingest mint oil unless under the direct guidance of a qualified healthcare professional. Always store your mint oil in a cool, dark place, safely out of reach of children and pets. If you are pregnant, nursing, or have any underlying health conditions, please consult your doctor before using mint oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.